Hey everyone, Dr. Adam Graves here. So, how's it going? Today we're talking about kind of antibiotic use and restoring the microbiome and the good bacteria. Um, as people have known, if you haven't been around, everybody's sick and been sick longer this year and getting colds and viruses on top of COVID and things like that. So, antibiotics sometimes are needed if it turns into viral and then bacterial and you can't get over it. You got to use antibiotics to kill off some of that bacteria. But then, what do you do after to restore that microbiome, restore that immune function so that going forward you're not more likely to get sick and have side effects or issues long term? So, what I usually recommend after any use of antibiotics, of course, antibiotics, I usually recommend 100 billion probiotics a day for 30 days to really restore that microbiome, which helps your body produce vitamins and minerals. It helps restore your immune system to fight off colds and flus in the future, along with prebiotics. You can get prebiotics as a supplement, you can get prebiotics as a food, but antibiotics kill off all the good and bad bacteria, so you really want to add back the good bacteria as quickly as possible so that restores the immune function as quickly as possible, and you overall you get sick less often and less severe as things go on. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help.